8 monster trucks will go against this. Here they are. The winner gets this Lego boat. Okay, let's race. The first two, it's Leopard Shark and Hound Holler. Who do you think's gonna win? I don't know. Oh, we'll just see. Let's see how Hound Holler's doing. He did? Oh, very well. Now let's see how Oops, messed up. Let's try. Six up. Here's out. Hound Holler, move on. Round two is Chestnut and see how his racers go. Not bad. Chestnut. I'm not gonna lie. Harvest race number 1 is Dead Man. So keep his eye. Next up, look. I gotta be sure about some. These are one of my favorites, so this is kind of tough for me. And your muscle. Move on. Now it's time for you two. Place win. The winners advance. Move on to the next round. Not bad, actually. How feels facing this way? Okay, here the fight. But either these two will do it. Let's find out. Two. Dude, what should we do? You did good, I'd say. But Pure Soldier takes that one. The finals. Hollows race number 1. This is Pure Muscle. This time we're going to send them both on the same side. This is our Bible. And we're going to have to redo that one. Because I don't know who won. Ready and go. And Pure Muscle wins. Congratulations, Pure Muscle. You win this Lego boat. Stay tuned for another episode of Wyatt's Racing.